who is Kwame? What shall Sparrow boy in the who is your guy? But a question as is here beside there when I Kwame. Into a detailed research, well, proper information. And he has a brown one. It's alleged. It was here one free, yeah, brother. One sunny day when I want to pay champion attire when there you got still. Yeah, was streets and I don't come on or record and say, what's this? One time was a year, so the end time was summer camp. What page was armor or your Ghana or your content creators or your Sarkodie and Yvonne Nelson. Inti sa 7 tray and so there, yeah, in Tumanda. Now, one question always streets and other boys no Pierre Bisa, I'm questioning. It says Sarkodie and this song to Yvonne Nelson or Buzzy Bidosi, who is Kwame. But Kwame bids in us and at the Brahma and our son that I come a Kwame and a cheddar white team. Na yen tument na wanya behind the mama one body be about who is the man behind that name. Until we took it upon ourselves to do detailed research to find out in Pakra our friend Kwame. The said Kwame na wabonizina Ubia Rwandan, I mean UTV Fokra postee the who is Kwame in Sarkodie try me. And I said bibinum to one chick that Kwame despite and other. But yeah, research in them for you bebre prepe. Ben you follow Dawson, but yeah, who is Kwame? What shall Sparrow boy in the who is your guy? But a question as is here beside in there when I Kwame. Into a detailed research, well, proper information. And he has a brown inti. It's alleged. And I abi or yeah reliable website been as an hour confirm Peace FM or website. Also the list of men Yvonne Nelson we dates into a compile list and a share dates of birth near the share in power friend of Kwame. That Kwame guy in a share. Into according to your research, our friend that Ken Solomon lifestyle, that Ken Solomon, where was so many years ago, but Nasa for now, working, it been a year bobo one evening. So your detailed research, first person our listener on our friend Derek Watson, it's alleged there, you know, Yvonne Nelson on your tree, and Penapa na. More there, Derek Watson will be our one on the 2nd of May, 1983. 2nd of May, 1983. And see, Bosha and Chere, Derek Watson, you'll be our one Monday. Because a check in May, Bosomana, 2nd or woman or a Monday. And see, there is no way Derek Watson could be. That's Kwame na Sarkodie can want some. Now, Derek Watson. To Derek Watson, song. Now, let's go ahead and do more detailed research and analysis to say about. Now, one person saw our point all fingers at him, or a celebrated radio presenter, TV presenter, our friend John Jamie, alleged that also you'll be a chere, or then Sasha share. Yvonne and like wedding kita honka crack we so no more that we mian honestly ya brent be our one 1974 and about sha chere Yvonne Nelson am panafoni na senior man on John Jermaine senior man now John Jermaine you'll be our one 1974 or yeah June 25th. Let me share our calendar but to my research ni na nehu. Now the 25th June in 1974 no John Jermaine or kwabena kobi yenyimu da want the task kwalelele when you tonga na wapemba so but he's not that Kwame. Now na chere Sarkodie boy Yvonne Nelson Kwame no so on the side but research in wires or there you to me international ya cross borders. Ya cross borders and one of the finest rappers over Nigeria. Ni yekosoni mu da ono so chere onye sister. Onye ezinkita hu bebre alleged na fonyim pods are dance. So ya nyankufo mu so ya mpana twimu. That one there we can't really tell. But honestly, Obia Ice Prince, well, when on 30th October 1984, when I chat honestly a senior man anyway through Kakra. Na 1984 no October on the 30th no kesi Tuesday. O see Tuesday so our friend Kobina. Inti yentu mkada Ice Prince here kwame on and obo. Yvonne on the side abra Sarkodie bon. Still stay on higher fancy YouTube yeah detailed research investigative piece. Yeah, Paula Adumoche. Yeah, pack out to the rich. Yeah, more detailed information. Now, can subscribe to the channel. Into Ofiwa, the next person on the list are a very popular Yvonne and Kasa Wajatum that boy is as our friend Doggy Swintui to Banchina Zin or one more coming friend. No, we no dogum. Now, the my Brenton also a friend Inyanya. You wasted a child on to me, Bonham or the Yvonne Nelson is in Ashim. A Brent here were 1986 or your 31st. Na 1986 and I check it 31st you know woman or a Friday or a feeder into Nyanya or Ghana and call friend Kofi another Fifi Nyanya is in order was a friend Nyanya and Kofi and Fifi Nyanya still on the detailed research in our area or a very masterpiece so you're nyambo from my investigation still on a list of Ken Solomon lifestyles or Ghana hand. Next person on our list, or your Ghana actor, sounds your family, aka politician, and also allegedly, I'm out for Sunday on Yvonne and we me and a kakra, we susone no fum kakra, wa fulfill na kakra ni John Dumelo. Now, young check it John Dumelo so one Saturday. John Dumelo won the 3rd of February 1984. I also a friend Kofi Fifi that chere. Actually, the way I competition ekwana the combiners and the fifis and wedi up and down where Yvonne Nelson na antem ho no obi baba catch when antem sro sameyo keka when antem sro yes it's researching na you good area na one person so I need ya benfianko ono or you be a very secretive person you know tabin bendile wa friend chase forever. And we need Ghana Music Award be my no I am some baby lonely boy but shout on no Yvonne Nelson wojina mpwana wa show ye bikini kakra na enufun keten na we popoaro no so wachacha allegedly wa Yvonne Nelson I na atwempena kakra nti say we compile list be the man want to me need him film ya checking our chase so ni date of birth na ye or ye 24th June 1986 na chada ono so hwemo ya kwabena Kobe funa ya chada ono suro skolom na den why ade wo ho na getting down to the list na chada we are close to Mr. Michael Owusuado my Sarkodie our friend and I'm a story and I'm a last person on our friend or na ma samba one and I chere honestly, you're checking outside because you to me you the investigative piece I am for or be the nankasi am for and you check out Michael so win July 10th or 1985 and I chere Papa nankasa birthdays on his way coming you share that time no but to me Yvonne na reunion bia na research I and chere on the 10th of July 1985 that fateful day no ma tema I walk in and know a wukuda kwekwabon sam into Sarkodie and you know our friend kwekwabon sam Owusu Michael Owusu kweku or one pair data I or one Wednesday. And see, still the question is that who is this Kwame? Kwame no you wanna Ken Solomon lifestyle. Who is Kwame? And this is the shocking revelation. I had the bro there. Kwame na yaka no. Subscribe to channel and I am more Kwame is in show. The Kwame is the legendary boy, that guy. Currently, Ghana needs in a tenner where you see baby because somebody will be our baby mamas in this world that you can't take it away from him. The Kwame no ya or a Nigerian guy. Inti or a Sarkodie so no party or any day 2 no any you friend a gunshot. Bo. That Sarkodie trend wa Ghana no also trend wa Nigeria because we on kofutu bi a on pe condom share we two parties into you true. It's likely to be true there. Papa na no woman information that party na me na area na ma so bobo. And according to sources and on am dam party no do in a nyanya in a Yvonne relationship no Pascal Oyabasa. My lovely people, my brothers and sisters, let me present to you the Ken Solomon of our time. O say chi or one kofu or girls. Or be the bombing or ha na Sarkodie. Only TM or TM na Davido si chi. Davido! Only that kwame that people are talking about. One might ask me that why are we saying that it is Davido? From the proper data we have on our desk, and it is reliably informed that among all the boyfriends that Yvonne Nelson have had, and or your Davido no you be our one a Saturday kwame share detailed information et cetera. When November 21st, 1992, na kwame Davido na our friend one Atlanta or US. Basha it's a calendar no the 21st and or Saturday so our 92 November ni mun or 7th 14th and 28th. This tells you that you're researching or 10 benefits in research, and this cannot fail you. So let's say congratulations to Kwame or Pemba, Kwame or Sechi, Kwame or Rin Kofu or girls, only Davido, near Kwame na Sarkodie channel. Investigative piece, you won't get this anywhere. Paul, I don't much important to me that I'm researching for more. Trust us with accurate information and accurate data. I'll be right back with some filler. Subscribe to the channel.